There are a number of gold nuggets that claim to be the world's largest. Obviously, not all of these claims can be true. This year marks the 157th anniversary of the discovery of the world's largest gold nugget, a giant lump of the precious metal that was unearthed just over an inch, 3 centimeters, below the ground by 2 English miners in Moliagul, Australia. We take a look at this and dig up the other biggest single gold finds of all time. Ironstone's Crown Jewel, California. Ironstone's Crown Jewel Gold Nugget is a single piece of crystalline leaf gold found in California. In December 1992, by the Sonora Mining Company. The gold was found embedded in quartz rock, however through a cleaning process involving hydrofluoric acid, most of the quartz was removed to reveal a single mass of gold, weighing 44 troy pounds or 16.4 kilograms. Hand of Faith, gold nugget on display in the Golden Nugget Casino, Las Vegas. The Hand of Faith is 27.66 kilograms. It contains 875 troy ounces of gold. The Golden Nugget Casino claims on its website that the Hand of Faith is the world's largest surviving gold nugget, but this is clearly not the case, given the existence of other larger gold nuggets such as Brazil's Pepita Kanaan and Russia's Great Triangle Nuggets. Nugget. This video contains lots of nuggets. Normandie Nugget, Australia. The Normandie Nugget is the name given to a 25.5 kilograms, 820 ounces, gold nugget. Found in 1995 in the important gold mining centre of Kalgoorlie, Western Australia. Assay analysis shows the Normandie Nugget to have a gold purity of between 80% and 90%. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, Australia is the world's second largest gold producer, with gold mine output of 270 tons in 2016. The Great Triangle Gold Nugget, on display at the Kremlin in Moscow, Russia. The Great Triangle Gold Nugget is owned by the Russian state, and through the Gokran Fund, State Fund for Precious Stones and Precious Metals. It is currently on display in the Diamond Fund collection in the Kremlin in Moscow. It has a gross weight of 36.2 kilograms and a gold assay of 91%, meaning that it has a fine gold content of 32.94 kilograms, or 1,059 troy ounces of gold. Kanaan 3 Gold Nugget. Notable for its distinctive ferrous red hue, the Kanaan 3 Nugget is the third largest nugget unearthed during the Brazilian Cerro Pelado gold rush of the early 1980s. Valued at around $1.5 million, 1.2 million pounds, the rock, which weighs 1,230 ounces, 34.9 kilograms, is on display in all its crimson glory at the Banco Central Museum in Brasilia. Monumental Nugget. The largest gold nugget discovered in America was suitably named the Monumental. Weighing in at between 1,696 ounces, 48.1 kilograms, it was discovered by 5 prospectors in August 1869 in the Monumental claim in Sierra County, California. The find was sold to wealthy San Francisco hotel owner, Robert B. Woodward not long after for a bargain, $13,000, around $240,000, 185,000 pounds, in today's money. RNC Minerals Nugget. Not a true nugget as such, due to its impure content. This enormous gold-encrusted rock was discovered in September 2018, at RNC Minerals Beta Hunt Mine near Kambalda, Western Australia. Valued at $2 million, 1.5 million pounds, the impressive slab reportedly contains 1,600 ounces, 45.4 kilograms, of pure gold. Welcome Nugget. The biggest nugget discovered in gold-rich Ballarat, Australia. The Welcome Nugget was unearthed by a group of miners from Cornwall, England in June 1858. It was sold for £10,500, which is $1.7 million, 1.3 million pounds, in today's money. Like the Blanche Barclay Nugget, the huge lump of gold was exhibited at London's Crystal Palace, and eventually bought by the Royal Mint, and melted down into sovereign coins. Holterman Nugget. While the Welcome Stranger is the largest gold nugget ever found, the biggest single gold specimen discovered on the planet is the Holterman Nugget. Unearthed in October 1872, by German-born miner Bernhard Holterman, at Hill End in New South Wales, Australia. The gold embedded in quartz specimen weighed a staggering 10,229 ounces, 290 kilograms. The rock was valued at £12,000, which is $1.7 million, 1.3 million pounds, in today's money. Thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing. And don't forget to hit the bell button for all our latest content.